ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வணக்கம். நாங்கள் ரீசெண்டாக வந்து ஹாலோவின் செலிப்ரேஷனுக்கு வந்து முனிசிபல் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்க்கு போயிருந்தோம். அங்கே வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு பப்பட் ஷோ வந்து பார்த்தேன். நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைம் வந்து பப்பட் ஷோ வந்து பார்க்குறேன். ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். கிட்ஸுக்கு உள்ள மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் வந்து அதில் நான் பார்த்ததில் வந்து அவங்க எப்படி அந்த பப்பட்டை வந்து எப்படி வந்து அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, எப்படி அந்த ஸ்ட்ரிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறாங்கன்றதெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அது வந்து இந்த வீடியோட எண்டில் வந்து நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பாருங்கள், ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காகவும் நல்லாவும் இருக்கும்.
There we go. There we go. Welcome to the puppet show! Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many of you have seen my puppet show before? I love you guys. You're welcome.
By golly, I never saw anybody eat so much in my whole life.
He sure stuffed himself.
Where does he put it all? He is so skinny.
He must have a hollow leg.
He must have 2 hollow legs.
But he's stopped now.
He had to. There was nothing left to eat.
Oh, I don't know. He was looking at the candles. He might be going to eat them. I'll bet you if Rob Bones finds out the schoolmaster has his eye on Katrina, there would be fireworks.
This is the way I used to dance when I was a kid, you guys.
There, Mama is playing.
This is the way I dance now.
My, so loud.
Hey, Papa, they're dancing.
Alright, here we go. Alright. Now we're in trouble, I tell you.
Old Man Brower laughed at ghosts until he met the Headless Horseman.
You're stinky.
Even when he heard the tale, he didn't believe it.
Stinky boy.
But that very night he met ahead and sprang over the treetops with a clap of thunder. Here said, maybe you would like to talk to someone.
Hound of the
Alright,
Palisades.
everybody do this.
It was the dead of night. I went on through the woods until I came to a little clearing.
Does that mean that he has 12 strings, you guys?
No.
No. That means he has an average of 12 strings. This puppet has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strings. You want me to show you what they do? All right. First of all, we're going to start at the top. These are controls. They're called airplane controls. You want to know why they're called airplane controls? Because they look like an airplane, exactly. Now, those airplane controls have strings that go right down to the puppet. There are 2 strings on the outside of the top control that go right down to the puppet's knees. And that allows the puppet's legs to go back and forth with just a little tiny hand movement. Now watch this. See me move the control up here just a little bit?
Yeah.
Now, if I use my other hand, I can make him do a karate kick. You want to see it?
Yeah, come on.
Here we go.
You guys want to see that again?
Yes.
I thought you might.
Oh, I can't do a backflip. Watch it. Here we go. I don't know why I do the voice like that. It's just kind of fun. All right, here we go. And then there are 2 strings go right down to the puppet's hands. That allows the puppet's hands to go up and down. This is what the puppet might look like this is what the puppet might look like if he were in a classroom. I'm going to be more specific. I'm going to say 1st grade. Anybody ever go to 1st grade? No grown-ups. All right, that's all right. All right, here we go. Oh, teacher, pick me! Please, pick me! Or this is what it might look like if you were in kindergarten.
Teacher, I need to go potty.
Yeah, I have to go potty all the time. Anyhow, and then this is what it might look like if you were in preschool.
Teacher, I will need to go potty right now because if I don't go potty. Never mind.
You know what that means, right? That means you did an oopsie. All right. No, I didn't say poopsie. All right. And then there are two strings that go right down to the puppet's head. And that allows the puppet's head to go back and forth. Watch this. I can also make it go around like this, back and forth like that. Then there are two strings that go down to the puppet's shoulders. Those hold the puppet so the puppet stands up. Then there's the very last string. It starts back here at the control in the back. It comes all the way down and it attaches to his... I was going to say bottom, but yeah, all right. We'll go with that other word that I don't use. I don't use that word. But I'll tell you the word I will use. The word... I said, never mind. All right. When I pull on that... You got that one, didn't you? Yeah. Just wasn't funny, was it? All right. When I pull that string, it pulls the puppet bottom up like this. Hey! Siri, be quiet. All right. Here we go. You ready? Watch this.
Y'all want to see that one again?
500 more times. Let's just start with one. And he'll sing a little song.
Shake.
I am so sorry. That should never have happened, all right? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the show. Everybody say, oh. I know. All right. However, on your way out, if you would like to, go backstage and look at all of the puppets up close.